yeah.
Here from the theme options panel, in just a couple of clicks, I can import any of the layouts, including theme options, widgets, and demo content onto my site. Here, I'll just import the default layout, and you'll see in just a couple of moments, I have all of the content imported onto the site. With this feature, you can have your site set up in no time at all. Here I have my site now replicating the demo, and from here I can customize my site, including customizing my logo, dedicated performance tab, styling options, options for customizing the header and footer, as well as controlling the homepage, single post, social buttons, ad management, sidebars, navigation, typography, and more. My blog is the easy to use and easy to set up WordPress theme from Mythemeshop. You can find it at mythemeshop.com.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words.